Got on my leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I could make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. My leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I could make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
I've been through like 100 cities, signed 1,000 titties. I'm talking millions of biddies. I'm a dog, I chase that kitty. If your girlfriend is pretty, chances are I'm trying to snatch so I can slay and take her with me. Bro, I'm the man, did you not know that? Your girl want me to take a picture with her.
Smile, Robbie.
Birthday, John.
Happy birthday to you. Smash it in his face.
Yeah, brother.
Amanda.
Damn. Mickey, don't get too excited there, bud. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, same time. If you guys are coming tomorrow.
I'm going to Autorama.
That's fine. You have fun with Doug and all them. Just don't come. Yeah, what? Yeah. Y'all welcome.
Don't come back crying.
What? Anyways, so thank you guys for coming. I hope you had a good time, and we'll see you tomorrow.
And there's ice cream cake here in just a second when we get to bring the knife out. So, can
I get a hot dog?
Hey.
On her Kodak and you're so whack. She knows that I be where the coke is smoke at. See her friend and now I'm going for that 3 like I'm Steve Novak. Don't be mad at me if she leaves. You should always know not to fuck around with thieves. She just wants to kick it with some G's, smoke some trees, pop some peas. Later she'll be on her knees, then I'm gone. So if you really want her for your own, be worried if I show up in her phone. You don't want to leave the 2 of us alone, cause I'ma probably take her somewhere soon.
Got on my leather jacket thriller, the show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer, if I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I could make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Buddy, oh geez, goddamn, look at all my followers. Bitches ride the wagon, but I'd rather give her cholera. And they look at me like I ain't even got a fucking plan. Well, alright, that's cause I'm the fucking man.
I'm tryna get out the hood. They say they won't see me win. They wanna see you do good. Just never better than now. Me, I put on for my city. Do what it takes just to win. They wanna see you do good. Just never better than now. But me, I'm so better than now. Me, I'm so better than now. They wanna see you do good. Just never better than now. But me, I'm so better than now.
That's right.
Me, I'm so better than now.
Okay.
Me, I'm so better than now. Believe I'm so better than now.
They say that they love you but wanna control you, keep you on the leash so they stay above you. They act like they